Hello guys, it is Kennedy here, and today I'm going to be doing a slime review. My friend had made me some slime, and I'm going to be checking it out today. Here's the slime. Gonna open it, and you're gonna get some bonus footage of some ASMR at the end. It's pretty good. It's not sticky at all. And it smells like laundry detergent, so I think that's what she used for like the borax or the activator. Yeah, that's what she used. So right now I'm going to do a stretch test. Whoa. Yo, that's really stretchy. That's so stretchy. And then I'm going to pop the swirl. I have a lot of pet peeves. I just like to feel the slime. So I sometimes don't pay attention and I do really cringy stuff on camera. Such as, I want to play with my slime on film. Uh-oh. I actually did that on purpose just for the clip because this is actually really stretchy. You just have to stretch it slowly. If you stretch it in a big clump, it just goes like, see, it doesn't work. I already got my hair in it. It's brand new. So, thanks again to Harley. I love the slime, girl. This is actually really cool slime. I love slime. Bonus footage. Here's a smaller piece. So right now I'm going to stretch it into a really thin piece and put it over top. And you guys are going to comment down below if you can see. Is everything pink or is everything black? Comment down below because I'm not so sure. And I barely rewatch my footage, so yeah, so comment down below if it was pink or black or blue, because sometimes my camera goes blue if I put something up to it. So this is as much as it probably can stretch. And sometimes it goes pink and then blue and then black. So I'm going to poke it while it's over the thingy. Oh my goodness. I don't think that worked very well. This is actually a smaller piece of the slime. It's a little bit hard. I think she probably overactivated it by mistake, but I still love it. It's very squishy and stretchy. Bonus footage for y'all guys. So guys, right now I'm going to play Smack the Tiger. Ah! Sorry if you guys could see me. That was probably really creepy. Oh no, my nose. Sorry guys. It's just once you have it on one way, you can't flip the camera, so yeah. Let's play Smack the Tiger. Tiger has slime on his face. Ah. Comment down below if you guys can see that, because I'm trying my best to show you guys some ASMR without needing to flip the camera. I think it's pretty good, but yeah. Like, YouTube can be like very annoying sometimes, and camera looks like bubblegum. Bubblegum. So anyway, guys, that's my slime, and here's the slime that I left out. I think if you play with the little slime, it gets like melty. That didn't stretch very well because I pulled it too fast. And sometimes that's the problem with like long nails. I have like long nails. And this. Comment down below if you think my nails are very natural and pretty, or if they're gross and smelly. Well, not smelly, but weird. So yeah, guys, that's my slime.